lucky.
They're lucky?
We're lucky.
That one streak of lightning went right across there. It stopped short of their house. There's the siren. Oh, I missed that streak that was just over here. Whoa, pretty intense lightning. You know, Taylor, if you're watching the weather bug and you're tracking the storm, they'll show you every hit of lightning and where it struck. Wow. Not like the thunder starts there and it kind of scents around. There's a lot of bright streaks. They're so bright you can barely see them. Was the thunder to the right of us? Whoa, that was blinding. Wow. Oh, holy, now it's to the left of us. My sister must be losing it by now. Ricky's probably having a fit. Yeah, it's working. I'm getting some good footage. It's just kind of hard to figure out where to aim the camera because it's so intense. I'd like to see a good streak, but I don't know when that's going to be or where.